She is very health conscious. So you probably offer her something
Okay.
healthy.
Your hot chocolate is on the way. Please wait for a minute.
Yeah. Okay.
Hot chocolate is very healthy. Very healthy. No calories in hot chocolate. Perfect.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. Um, I'm feeling very hungry. Can you please serve me something?
Yes,
What
sure,
do you
ma'am.
have in your menu?
We have chicken biryani, mutton biryani, and chicken chili chicken, and masala dosa, and everything
So
we have.
I'm
You can
I'm
check our menu.
vegetarian. Uh, I'm vegetarian. Give me something which.
Okay, you can check our menu. See that one.
Okay. Okay. Let me check. Can you please give me a
Okay.
minute?
Okay, sure.
Okay. What is your special dish of your
Our
restaurant?
special dish is means it's fried rice, veg fried rice, and paneer, masala paneer.
I don't like rice. It will affect my health, so I can't have fried rice.
What do you want? What do you like to take? Then you can uh, tell us. We will prepare for you.
Yeah. You can have pav bhaji, you can have momos, you can have chow mein, you can
Yes,
have
we have everything in our menu. You can check once and tell us. We will prepare for you carefully.
Okay. Okay. Give me a minute.
Okay.
Okay. So, do you have a margarita pizza
Sorry, ma'am.
with
Sorry. Actually,
mushroom
not
toppings?
a Pizza Hut. It's not a Pizza Hut. We don't prepare
But
that all pizza things.
it's a five-star hotel, Champa. So anyways, you'll have it. You can't say no to your super special.
Sir,
can
actually, I
you
don't know it's a
arrange
5 star.
arrange it for me from
Yeah, yeah,
somewhere?
sure. Yeah, sure. We can arrange for you.
How much time you will take
Don't
for
worry.
that?
It will take
How much
five
time
or
it will
ten
take
minute. 5 or 10 minute.
to arrange
Yes.
Yeah,
that pizza?
You can sit. You can sit in the
Okay.
table. We will
Okay.
serve.
I'm waiting.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you please serve me my like water bottle,
Yes,
the
sure.
digital water,
yeah,
Digital
spring
water.
water. Spring water.
spring
Okay.
water? Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Okay.
And
Anything else, ma'am?
after anything else?
No, thank you. Can you please turn on? Yeah.
Sure. Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Okay.
Champa. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
I'm
Yes.
waiting
Tell me,
for my
ma'am.
pizza. It's
Okay.
already
It will
15
take.
minutes.
It will take 2 more minutes. Please be patient.
Okay. I'm feeling hungry as I told you. So please do it fast.
Okay.
It's yummy. Yeah.
What is the
Thank you.
how the taste is?
It is quite yummy. I enjoyed my pizza.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am. Please
Thank you.
please give a feedback for
Can you
us.
please serve me hot? Can you please serve me hot chocolate too?
Yes, sure. Hot chocolate.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have?
Yes, we have. You can take.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. It will take 5 or 10 minutes. Please wait for that.
Okay. Meanwhile, please send it before my pizza gone finish.
Okay. 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 Anything else you want to like to take? You would like to take
No, thank you. That is fine.
our biryani is special dishes. You will like to take
As I told you, I'm vegetarian, so I can't
yes,
have
veg
non-rice.
biryani also there. Na?
No, I don't like rice, as I told you
Okay,
earlier.
Mm. She is very health conscious. So you probably offer her something
okay.
healthy.
Your hot chocolate is on the way. Please wait for a minute.
Yeah. Okay.
Hot chocolate is very healthy. Very healthy. No calories in hot chocolate. Perfect.
Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah, sure, definitely. I'll give you feedback.
okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. So it was only about fooding and fooding and fooding. I'll have this, I'll have that, I'll have chocolate, I'll have rice.
Actually,
No,
sir,
you didn't.
I
Actually, I
thought
was
about
thinking,
And
I
there are
was
so
thinking
much.
to say this is not yummy or kind of this thing.
actually
Yeah,
After
I
obviously,
was
and there
thinking
after
was
about
seeing her
so much
face,
other than
other
I'm
that
not
thing.
which
able
can
to
talk.
say that.
Actually, I was thinking about our other thing means Bharti Di will come in our hotel and she will book the room like that. But opposite, she she told all
No,
the
she
things.
didn't book, then why don't you offer? Why don't you offer? You
Okay,
probably
okay,
can
sir.
ask her.
Then I'll offer then. Ma'am, would
Yeah,
you
but
like
not
to
now.
stay in our hotel?
Not now. No,
Okay, okay, okay.
not now. The chance you have missed already.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. It was
मैंने तो ये
about
भी लिखा
food,
था
food.
कार्ड पेमेंट कैश पेमेंट.
Yeah,
Yes, yes. I also
yeah,
think also like that, but I didn't get chance.
But she was enjoying her pizza and hot chocolate.
Yes, yes.
absolutely. And she was actually not even enjoying, but also eating. You're like,
Yes.
wow. I mean, she was more of
I was
concerned
thinking
about
that
pizza
after
eating.
it they will take that I was thinking that they will stop talking and will wait for pizza for 5 minutes. Then
Yeah,
Uh,
correct.
in middle, I told be some patient, but it's not sound good actually.
Okay, that's fine. But that was too good. We all enjoyed it. Yeah, that was so
Sir,
good. Okay, Mir Bhaiya and Tapsi ma'am. Mir Bhaiya, on your camera.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you both can go. Please start.
Hello, sir.
Hi, ma'am. How can I help
Uh,
you?
Actually, I want to open an account in your bank. So, can you please tell me about the rules of this bank? Mm,
Okay,
what formality will I do for open my account?
okay. Ma'am, may I ask you some questions about yourself, just for
Yes,
information?
yes, yes, of course.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
So, first of, what kind of account you want to open? Like saving account or current account?
Sorry, sir.
I mean to say, what kind of account you want to open in our bank?
Yes,
Like saving account or current account? Which one?
it's. I want to open saving account.
Okay, that's great. And ma'am, are you resident of this area?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So, ma'am, can you please wait for a minute?
But I can't wait more. I have not much time to wait.
Okay, okay,
Please,
okay. It's
can you please quick do it fast?
okay,
Because I have to go some
okay. No
somewhere.
problem, ma'am.
I have to go
Actually, ma'am,
somewhere.
okay,
There's
ma'am.
I'm
So, ma'am, here is a form for you for open your account. So, first up. please fill up it. Okay.
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 But actually, I want to know what is the benefit will I get from your bank
So,
saving my account?
ma'am, do you have any other account in another bank?
Yes, there is another account on my another bank, but I have to open on this bank. Uh,
Okay. So, ma'am, actually, most of the all kind of banks are like interest rate are almost similar, and nowadays it's running on, I think, uh,
8.75.
yes, 8.75. So, and all kind of banks are given same rate of interest. So,
Mhm.
we have also that kind of interest for you. And
but
if you want,
I want to some much more interest from your bank. Then
okay, ma'am, I want
if
to share.
you
Okay, ma'am.
if
Actually, I want to
you
share a special offer for you. If you open a account in our bank, then
yes,
we give a insurance plan. So, have you got?
what kind of insurance do you
There is a many kind of
mm,
insurance like accidental insurance or death benefit insurance. So there is a, many type of insurance plan. So if you open a saving account or current account in our bank, then we provide you a, simple insurance plan.
but so what is the normal minimum amount did I submit your bank saving your bank, then I got a insurance?
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me the
Got,
minimum charge of your account, sorry, bank account. What
okay, ma'am.
should I
I got you what
saving?
you want to say. Ma'am, actually, at the opening time, you pay just 1,000 rupees. Okay,
Okay.
and after then, as you wish, if you want to, if you as you want to saving like 1,000, there is no problem. If you want to that I don't like to save on this account, that is also no problem. It's all about you.
If I saving 1,000, that I will get the insurance benefit from your
Yes,
bank.
yes, yes. It's also.
Okay, that's nice.
So,
And
ma'am, I think you like to.
you actually I want to something help from you, that
Okay,
you please tell me how much money I
okay.
how much money do I saving in your bank that help me more benefit and give me more benefit? Please tell
Ac-
me to then.
Actually, ma'am, in a saving, there is a meant to say, if you save more money, then it's help for you for future also. Then it's all
More
about you.
money, you mean to what do you mean that more money? How much money? That
It's all
what
about
is
you,
the
ma'am.
amount
Ma'am, it's all about
that
you. If
you?
you save in monthly like 50,000 or 1 lakh, we have no issue.
Okay, then when I will